Hey everyone, is your blue phone refusing to turn on or charge? Don't worry, in this video, I'll guide you through simple solutions to bring it back to life. Let's get started. Fix 1. Verify the charger and cable. Ensure you are using the original blue charger and cable. Inspect both for visible damage, such as frayed wires or bent connectors. Test your phone with a different compatible charger and cable to rule out faults. Fix 2. Inspect the charging port. Check the phone's charging port for debris or lint that might obstruct the connections. Gently clean the port using a soft brush or a compressed air. Fix 3. Attempt a forced restart. Step 1. Press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. To force restart, step 2. If your model has a removable battery, remove it, wait a few seconds, reinsert it, and then press the power button. Fix 4. Charge the phone. Connect your phone to a wall outlet using a known working charger and cable. Allow it to charge for at least 15 to 20 minutes before attempting to turn it on, as a deeply discharged battery may need time to respond. Fix 5. Check for a physical water damage. Inspect your phone for a sign of physical damage or exposure to moisture, which can affect functionality. If any damage, contact Blue Customer Support or visit an authorized service center for further assistance. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.